Please watch simple steps how to use Chat GPT. Let's start. Go to any browser and search Chat GPT. Click on the first link OpenAI. After that, go to product menu and click on Chat GPT. So here you will get two options, login and sign up. If you are doing first time, click on the sign up. In this page, you will add your email address and continue. After that, you can give password and continue. Then you will get the verification link. So here you can see you will get this type of verifications link. You will click on the verify email address. After successfully verified, you can go and log in with your email address. Let's start. So here giving my password. I need to fill some details. Let's fill some details here. Continue and select. You can give your mobile number. Select India code and giving my mobile number. So you'll receive code. Let's add it. It's verifying. Wait few seconds. Now Chat GPT is ready. So here you can see the dashboard. So here is the your you need to add your query here. I'm typing one questions. What is Chat GPT? So now you can see. So your answer automatically it will come. Here you can see. Now let's type second questions. What is .NET? So like that you can use multiple questions which answers will come automatically. Next you can give who is, you can give anything. What is Java? And same process you can follow in your mobile browser. Don't use any third party chat GPT. Still there is no official app to use in mobile. Please use only browser. Thank you watching for this video. Please, if this video will helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.